Hi, today I will discuss about the dynamic programming technique to solve a linear programming problem, that is ALPP. Lot of methods are available to solve LPP, namely simplex method, two-phase method, dual simplex method, device simplex method, Karmarkar algorithms, and many others. But dynamic programming technique can also be used to solve linear programming problem in a different way. In this method, we can solve the maximization problem directly as well as the minimization problem. The dynamic programming technique is a stage-wise problem technique. In first stage, we set all the variables except x1 to zeros. Now we solve this problem containing the single variables x1 in objective function as well as all constant. That means the problem in step 1 contains only one variables x1. Now this problem is very trivial, and by solving this problem we can obtain the solution of first stage, say the solution of the variable x1. In second stage we consider the variable x1 and x2 by substituting the variables x3, x4 and up to the last variables to 0. And this reduced problem can be solved by dynamic programming technique by appropriately defining the return function. So we obtain the solution for stage 2 for the variable x1 and x2. But remember that in stage 2 we will use the solution obtained in stage 1. In next stage we consider three variables x1, x2 and x3 by setting the all variables to 0. In third stage we solve the problems by considering the solution or incorporating the solution obtained in stage 2. So in this way, we gradually increase the size of the problem and we solve the problem in its stage. After incorporating all the variables into the problem, we obtain the final solution of the given LP. So thank you very much for listening my lecture.